Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. These are the today's kanji. Today's theme is family members. The meaning is father. On is fu. Kun is chichi. The meaning is mother. On is bo. Kun is haha. The meaning is older brother. On is kyo. Kun is ani. Radical is hitoashi. The meaning is older sister. On is shi. Kun is ane. Radical is onna. Left side onna, and then right side you have this symbol. The meaning is younger brother. On is dai. Kun is ototo. The meaning is young sister. On is mai. Kun is imoto. Radical is onna. Left side you have onna. Right side, do you remember this kanji? That's sue. Vocabularies: father, chichi-oya, or you can say otou-san. That's a special reading. Mother, haha-oya, or you can say okaa-san. Grandfather, sofu, or oji-san. Make sure you have long e, oji-san. Grandmother, sobo, or oba-san. Make sure you have long sounds, oba-san. Older brother, ani, or oni-san. Older sister, ane, or one-san. Siblings, 兄弟 Expression: 兄弟が3人います。I have います。3 siblings. 兄弟が3人。兄弟が3人います。Sisters, 姉妹。君 reading 姉と妹。Make sense. Expression: 4人姉妹の末っ子です。I am the youngest. 末っ子です。of 4 sisters. 4人姉妹の末っ子です。This is not the today's kanji, but I add it because it's useful. Only child. 一人っ子。一人っ子ですか? Are you an only child? 一人っ子ですか? Twins or triplet. Twins は双子。Triplets は三つ子。私には双子の姉がいます。I have います。A twin sister. 双子の姉。The last one. お母さんにそっくりですね。You look just like your mother. Look just like そっくり。お母さんに そっくりですね。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Father, 父親 Mother, 母親 Grandfather, 祖父 Grandmother, 祖母 Siblings, 兄弟 Sisters, 姉妹 Only child, 一人っ子 Twins, 双子 JLPT Quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。